Welcome back, fellow aquarists, to another episode of Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews on all things aquarium related. Today, we're diving deep into the world of substrates with what I believe is the creme de la creme of aquarium muds. Introducing the Fluval 12693 plant and shrimp stratum. This isn't your average substrate, folks. It's a carefully crafted blend designed to take your freshwater aquarium to the next level. Let's break down why this is the best aquarium mud you can get your hands on. First up, its porous structure enables swift colonization of beneficial nitrifying organisms, creating a healthy aquatic environment crucial for the well-being of your tank inhabitants. Next, it's designed to sustain a neutral to slightly acidic pH range, perfect for supporting the growth of various plants, tropical fish, and shrimp commonly found in planted aquarium setups. But wait, there's more. The stratum provides a safe haven for newborn shrimp, offering protection from potential predators until they're ready to join the main aquarium. And let's not forget about water clarity. This substrate ensures crystal clear water by preventing discoloration and effectively managing organic buildup, especially in the presence of natural driftwood. But what sets the Fluval stratum apart from the rest? Well, it's all about the results. Just take a look at these testimonials from satisfied customers. So, if you're ready to take your planted tank to new heights, I highly recommend giving the Fluval 12693 plant and shrimp stratum a try. Your aquatic friends will thank you for it. That's all for today's episode of Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful reviews. Until next time, keep those tanks thriving.